Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with a new coding question which is string based. It is asked in on-campus placement in Deloitte on-campus placements as well as in many of the interviews, and it is very easy, very important string based question. So let us see the code as well as the question. Okay, write a Java program to remove all the spaces from a given string and return the resulting string. The program should handle the spaces at the beginning and within the string. Okay, hello world, the output should without the spaces, right? Let us see the code for it. This is the code for the question. Okay, what you are doing, you are importing the scanner class because you have to take the input from the user, that is string, and your public static void main string args here where the program starts. Here scanner, you are using the scanner in order to take the input. Now you are giving enter a string. Okay, let us enter a string. The string is stored in a string variable called input. You are going to store in input. Okay, now result, for result it is stored in result variable. For this you are calling the function remove spaces. Here the remove spaces function, where the input for this function is the given string. Okay, now you are using the replace method in order to replace all the spaces with non-space. Okay, this is very much important. Have a clean observation on here. Return input dot replace all the empty strings with non-empty one. Okay, now you are returning to here. Now sys out the result. I hope you got it. Let us run this. Let us see whether it is working well or not. Okay, enter a string. Okay, let us enter hello, hi, how are you. Okay, in this way I am giving. Now see here, you have got the things without any spaces. It is very easy, and it is asked in on campus placements also. So prepare well these type of questions. If you want many more like this, please hit a like and put it in the comment section so that I can know whether to do more and more for you or not. Okay, thank you.